When I was in college, I studied philosophy. It taught me how to think analytically, how to look outside the box for solutions, and it also taught me to question the way things are. In philosophy, there are a lot of different divisions. Metaphysics was my favorite. In metaphysics, you look at things from the 1,000-foot view. So if you're studying economics from a metaphysical point of view, you'll step back and look at all of mankind and the activities and the interactions between people. We're used to thinking of the economy in a way that reflects our day-to-day life. We're used to buying things at a grocery store. We're used to going to a retailer and buying clothes. We're used to buying a car, buying a house. That's what we think of as being the economy. Economics focuses on that real world. It focuses on supply and demand, production of goods and services. How much do we produce each year? That's around $19 trillion. Another way to follow the money was, how much do you make? You receive a paycheck. You sell a house and you get some income. If you look at the total income of everybody, that's around 16 trillion. Well, 16 is pretty close to 19 trillion. How do we actually buy more than we earn? Well, we borrow. That's what credit cards are for. And so you see a certain economy there that's in the 16 to $20 trillion range. Well, there was a very curious thing that I noticed on Wall Street. After hours, you'd get together with a bunch of traders and they'd talk about trading derivatives, synthetic securities, and a series of trades once went down. The trades exceeded the gross domestic production of the whole world. And I started thinking, wait a minute, what if you follow the money in the financial world? How big is that? That took a lot of digging, a lot of research, but the Federal Reserve does follow the money. They keep track of every trade, every time money changes hands, every time there's a financial settlement is what the technical language is behind it. Another way to look at it is every time a payment is made. And that's the economy that I call the monetary economy. The monetary economy dwarfs the material economy. Income represents less than 1/3 of 1% of the total economy that's out there. In other words, for every dollar that you earn and spend, there's another $300 that change hands. That's why I say we need a new operating system for our American economy. That new operating system requires a new form of banking, and it requires a new form of taxation. Our lives, I'm talking about the lives of all the people in our country, could be radically better than they are now. The things that hold us back are not the things that we think are holding us back.